Hey guys! Today we are making a velocity edit, so download these app. You can see in background. To make proper velocity edit like me. To make slow motion, I will show you two methods. In first method, open Vsco app. Then choose you clip. Now click your video and go to edit tool. If you don't understand what I am saying, then just follow the finger taps which you can see in the screen. First mute the clip. Then go to speed option. Change its speed to 0.3x. Now you can see smooth slow motion is ready. Now just export it. Let's move to another method. First download Timecut app and open it. Click on Pro Speed Changer and select your clip. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorial and edits. Now change its speed around 0.3 to 0.4. You can adjust to your recording. Do not skip single part also. Watch very carefully to learn properly. After your slow motion is done, now open Capcut for velocity. Create a new project and import slow motion clip which we just made. Don't do any change, just export it once. It prevents from lagging and makes easier while doing velocity. Now again create a new project and import original clip and just exported one. One video is normal without slow motion and another is with slow motion. Keep normal video in first and slowed one in last. Now mute the both clips. Now add an audio, go to audio and click on extracted, then choose your normal video. It extract the audio from video and import only the audio. The blue color layer is called audio wavelength. By the help of this wavelength we mark the beat. You can see that the frequency of wavelength is high somewhere and low somewhere. Basically frequently means the height of wavelength. Now listen your song 100 times to understand where the beat is. Now click the audio and click on match out to add a beat mark. Come to that part where you want velocity. Listen audio properly to find a beat. Frequency is always high in a beat, so you can allocate it easily. Just see how I am doing. Just practice it 4 to 5 times, you will get it. Now come to first beat and split the clip. You will see yellow dot in audio, and that is your mark beat. Now, you have to match normal clip with slow motion clip at a first beat. Split the same part in second clip where you split on first clip, just match the last part of first clip with first part of second clip. Here, you can see that both clips do not match. Now match it properly. Take your time while doing this. Now, you can see it looks smooth, and both clips are matching. Play again and again, till you get satisfied with your edit. Now go to second beat mark and split the clip. Now, go little bit further and again split the clip. Don't go too far, just split till where you want fast motion. Okay, till here, I want my fast motion. Now change this clip speed, go to speed option first. Here, you can see two options. One is normal, and another is curve. If you are making smooth velocity, then always go with curve, it makes your velocity to smooth. Always put this type of curve. Remove all the dots except first and last, and follow me. Don't do anything with last dot, just change the first dot between 5x to 6x. If think your clip is slow, then increase its speed more than 6x, otherwise keep below 6x. If you didn't understand, don't worry, we will do same at another beat. Come to third beat and split your clip. And again go a little bit further till where you want fast motion, and split there too. Now go at speed and choose curve, and just make the same type of curve you made before. You can see that video is getting fast in beat, and again coming to its slow position smoothly. Now repeat same step to all beat. Hope you get some idea about it. Now, just you need is practice. First split your clip at mark beat, then change its speed according to you, but at least try to keep below 6x, it will make your clip smoother. This is how you can create velocity edit like me easily. Just repeat the same step to all the beats, and your velocity is ready. After velocity, you need to add effects and some coloring on it to make it more beautiful and interesting. You can use Capcut also, but I prefer you to use Alight Motion for effects and coloring. You can use Alight Motion also, and After Motion also. If you don't know what After Motion is, then visit my channel, I had made dedicated video on it. At last, this is what your velocity edit looks like. Now simply export it. No open Alight Motion. I have given XML file in description for low device user and for high device user. Just import it according to your device. I will show for both device how you can apply it on your video. For high device, open XML and we'll see interface like this. But you see full black screen here, but don't worry. You can see red layer. It's called group of layer. Simply open it and click edit group. Do not change or move anything here. Just scroll down and you will see missing file here in your XML. Just click on it and then color fill option. Then click here and choose your video. Do the same to other missing clip. Just see how I am doing. It's too easy. Just replace your video. If this video is helpful, then leave a like and subscribe the channel to become a family member. This much for today. If you guys want any more tutorial, then just comment down below. See you guys in next video. Bye, take care.